Hello guys, welcome to vPro Tech. Today we are going to see how to add lines to host file. First of all, search for the Notepad app. Open it. Then go to File, Open option. Now go to Windows C drive. Then go to Windows folder. Look for the System32 folder. After that, go to drivers folder. Now go to etc folder. Change here to all files. Select host file and open it. It will open in Notepad. Now you can add your new lines to this host file. Just copy paste here and just save it. In this way, you can add new lines to your host file for any software. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.